Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are again today with a lovely Quiltopia update. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to get all the great updates for Quiltopia. I'm here today with Judy from Post Office Patchwork. How are you this morning?
I'm well, thank you.
That's good, that's good. Now Judy, you're going to be at Quiltopia right here.
That's correct.
Right, and whereabouts are you from originally? Like where's your shop or what do you do?
Our shop is at Glenbrook in the lower Blue Mountains.
Yes.
And we stock an immense array of different fabrics.
Beautiful.
For quilting.
Yes.
All different kinds of ranges, young people's ranges, we stock older ranges.
Yes, yes.
So,
all different, so you hit all the different markets.
we try to meet a range of different markets.
Beautiful, beautiful. And you, so from the Blue Mountains, it's nice and close at Rose Hill for you to come down?
Yes,
yes.
Good location.
Good location, yes. And you're going to be in the marketplace.
Yes, indeed.
Yes, because we've got lots of tutors coming over, don't forget guys. I've got interviews with tutors for the lessons, and we've also got the sponsors and sewing machines at the front, but you've got to get to where we are in the marketplace, because that's where I am as well. So we're going to, with the marketplace, we're going to have lots of things happening. You've got some specials, I'm sure there'll be something special come out for Quiltopia. We won't tell them yet. No, we don't let out that secret until we get there. All right, but so you'll be there. Now, what are you looking at from Quiltopia? You're going to see lots of new people and lots of different things?
Absolutely. We want to get our product, the range of products out there.
Yes, yes.
We want people to know that we are a very a small, compact, but very diverse
right, yes.
shop. We like to, we specialise in the beautiful fabric.
Yes.
And we like to be able to help people find particular fabrics they might be looking for.
And it's hard to define what beautiful fabrics is in a way because there's so many of them. You've got beautiful in your bright colours. You've got beautiful in like the Civil War type site. So you carry all those sorts of different ones.
We do.
Yeah. See, you've got lots happening at Quiltopia, guys. And Judy with her Post Office Patchwork will be there. And don't forget, 3rd to 6th of October, guys. And we're down at Rose Hill Events Centre. So it is going to be a long weekend, so you can actually book and have a little girly weekend away, right? And I always say, if it's a girly weekend away, we are happy for an invite on the Saturday night. Let's do that, you know? Sounds good, doesn't it? Yes, because we'll be working hard. Bringing you all sorts of different new things and bringing you what we love, because this is our passion. This is what we do. So come down to Quiltopia, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not seen all the videos, don't forget, I'm not sure which side they'll come on, but you will click on any of the videos that come up that will show you some older ones that you can check on. All right, so Judy, thank you so much for this little thing this morning. We're hyping up a little bit of a Quiltopia thing. All right, so guys, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, watch some old ones, hit that bell, and happy sewing.